Here, see here. Now this is the human being and this guy. Alright? Now please pay attention fully. Just see here. Alright. Here now, this is the human being. Or you have read that God has made man in his own image. So God also, you can say, this is the microcosm or the big great God, and you all are cells in him, made in the same image as this one is. Now how are you made? You are made from amoeba to a human being. Alright? First you were even carbon, even matter, you were evolved from amoeba to this stage. Why were you evolved? How were you evolved? That you know. But why? These are different places of your evolution. Like when you are making a machine, first you create a part of it, the base and then the upper part and the upper part, like that. The whole being that you are is created like this. And these are the three main undercurrents which have made you as a human being. This one, the first one, gives you the existence. The first one. This channel is called as the Ida Nadi. This channel gives you existence and passes over your heart, where resides your spirit. The spirit has nothing to do. So Indians know this better, that we call this as the Virat. See, God Almighty, you can say, the Virat situation, in which we are small cells in His being. We are made the same way the Virat is made. The great primordial being is Virat. In that, this line that you see is the undercurrent for our existence and called as Ida channel within us. Now these are subtle channels within us. It is for our existence, and also it gives us the activity of our emotional life, left side. Also it gives you your subconscious area, where whatever you are listening to me now goes into that, your past. This is the recording of all your past, and all the subtle recording of your past goes into this. On the right side, there is another channel here, which is golden color. This one is called as the Pingala Nadi or the sun line. This is the moon line and this is the sun line within us, called as Pingala Nadi, which gives us the physical being of our physical being and also our mental being. So we have left and right two channels, Ida and Pingala. One is the moon line, another is the sun line. Now, this one outside is expressed, these two are expressed outside. This is the subtle current inside. In the medical terminology, you can call them left and right sympathetic nervous system. In the center is our evolutionary path, by which, arising from the amoeba stage, from here, we have gone up gradually like that. From here we came first of all from the carbon state to the amoeba stage, then we rose, and there have been altogether 9 incarnations so far of the divine power of evolution. So here the aspect of evolutionary divine power works, while this side, the aspect of the existence and desire, aspect of God works, and this side is his physical being and the mental being or the creative being works on that side. So God has mainly 3 aspects. One is the existence, second is the creation, and the third is the evolutionary aspect. This one represents the Shiva Tattva, is the principle of Shiva or Sadashiva. This is the first and the last. It starts with this, manifests all this, again dissolves back. That's why it is called as Sadashiva. Then the second principle of creation is represented by Brahmadeva, and his power is called as Saraswati. The third one in the center, which is the evolutionary, is manifested through the incarnation of Vishnu, of Shri Vishnu. Shri Vishnu is here, and when he grows to his full maturity, he becomes this Virat. You go on developing from here up to this point. When you reach that point, then only your Sahasrara, this petal, the 1,000 lotus petal opens. It has got 1,000 petals. But you have to grow into a human being. Now this is the point, lowest, is the center. Is the center of innocence, occupied by Shri Ganesh. It has nothing to do with the evolutionary piercing. You see this force that is here, the force, residual energy that is here, the Kundalini, passes above this. Only this controls the protocol of this force, which is inside. This is the triangular board called as the cosmos. You have got the triangular board. This energy is placed in this. You can say like the coil, it is kept there. It is put to the mains. So this coil has to come out to go to the mains. Now this is a living process. It is an evolutionary divine process. You cannot pay for it. First thing, it's like the prelude, or you can call it, it is like the germinating force of a seed which sprouts by itself. You cannot force it. You cannot. You cannot do it. It just works spontaneously through the grace of a realized soul. You cannot do anything about it except for one thing, that is this portion which you see here is the stomach. This is the place where a human sustenance is regulated. This is the path of sustenance of evolution. Now this portion of the stomach is being sustained and is guarded and guided by the forces of religion, not the religion you know of outside, like some Brahmin coming and doing puja, or say some Pope giving you a lecture, not by that. But by maintaining it through your balancing system within yourself, leading a life which is balanced and not extreme. Any extremes will take you out this side to the left, to the subconscious, the collective subconscious, or this side to the supraconscious. So any extreme is against religion. All the 10 commandments described in the Bible are the 10 religions we have to follow. And because this is placed down below here is an embodiment of innocence. And this is your mother, the Kundalini sitting there. She is your mother. Everybody has that mother within it. And this mother has to rise and open it out. This is not possible by forcing it. Nothing. If you are ready, it will work. Like a candle is ready, is not wet, then a enlightened candle can enlighten it without any difficulty. But if the candle is not alright, then the candle has to be put right. That's what I've been doing for last 3 days, is to put your candle right. Once the candle is put right, then only the Kundalini is going to rise and give you that experience of the being by which you get these Chidananda Laharis, these vibrations which are described in all the scriptures. That when you are realized, these vibrations start flowing, not just talking. I have seen many people just talk, not good vibrations, bad vibrations. How do you know? You are not yet connected to the mains. Like this instrument, when you are connected to the mains, the rapport is established, like the computer. You are made very carefully for thousands of years. This body has been created as a human being. And this is the last evolutionary thing that has to happen again. For that you don't have to be very well educated. There is no need for you to know much. On the contrary, simpler people get it just like that. The more you are complicated, the more you problems. Now cancer is the answer, because without cancer you will not understand. So cancer has come just to teach. This is the parasympathetic nervous system in the center, which is giving you the energy to both the sides. Like this I will show you. This